I have to say that pasta is one of my favorite things in the entire world, but I think all of us have been in a similar situation, especially if you're vegan, vegetarian, or trying to eat more plant-based. Being served a plate of pasta with a dry, flavorless sauce, or even worse, eating it plain. Well, do not worry, because you will not have to experience a repeat of that situation. The pasta recipes that I will be sharing today are so flavorful, so delicious, and also extremely easy to make even if you're a complete beginner in the kitchen. Before we get started with the video, I would like to introduce myself very briefly. My name is Maria, I'm a vegan recipe developer, and I love creating vegan dishes that are super comforting, really easy to make, and perfect for busy people. If you're like myself and you love pasta, be sure to give this video a like and also subscribe so you don't miss any future uploads. Today I'm going to be sharing 3 amazing vegan pasta recipes that you will likely want to make over and over again because they're seriously that good. These are absolutely perfect for weeknight dinners when you want something quick and cozy that doesn't require a lot of effort or time spent in the kitchen. So I don't want to keep rambling on much longer because we have some delicious pasta that we need to make. Let's jump straight into our very first recipe. So the first recipe that we're going to make is a roasted red pepper pasta with silken tofu. If you've never used silken tofu before, basically it is a tofu variety that has a very high water content, making it really soft and therefore great for blending into sauces. By itself, the silken tofu is very neutral in flavor, therefore it blends into the recipe seamlessly and really helps create a smooth texture. You want to start by adding diced bell peppers and a couple of cloves of garlic to a baking dish. Next, add olive oil and dried oregano and proceed to roast that at 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 Fahrenheit for around 25 minutes. When that's ready, make the sauce by adding silken tofu to a blender or a food processor, and follow that with tomato paste, the amazing roasted vegetables, tamari or soy sauce, soaked cashews, paprika, fresh coriander, and plant-based milk of your choice. Blend until very smooth, then pour the sauce into a frying pan over a medium heat. Add cooked pasta of your choice. As you can see, I use spaghetti, and simply mix that together with the sauce until all of the pasta is coated. I like to add fresh coriander at the end, and I can't even begin to explain how amazing this meal is. You seriously just have to try it. Our second recipe is going to be a pea and avocado pesto pasta. This one is really delicious and refreshing and made with simple ingredients. It's amazing for a lunch when you don't have a lot of time but still want to eat something that's really flavorful, and of course, who doesn't love eating avocado for pretty much every single meal? So I would 100% recommend this one. This one is incredibly straightforward. Simply add avocado, an onion, fresh basil, mustard, garlic, soy yogurt, salt, green peas, and lemon juice to a blender or a food processor. Blend until very smooth, then mix with cooked pasta of your choice. I also like to add a can of chickpeas and extra green peas. It's so delicious and refreshing, and the great thing about the pea and avocado pesto is that you can use it for other recipes. For instance, I like to spread it on toast or stir it into salads. It also works really well as a dip for fries or potato chips. I am sure that you will love this one as much as I do. Last but not least, we have a vegetable pasta with a butter bean sauce. Using beans in the pasta sauce may seem a little bit strange, but I wouldn't worry because it does work really well. Much like the silken tofu from the first recipe, butter beans have a very neutral flavor by themselves, so they simply take on the flavor profile of the other ingredients that are used in this recipe, and they really do help make the texture exceptional. For this recipe, you want to start by adding butter beans to a blender or a food processor, followed by pickled jalapenos, tamari or soy sauce, coconut milk, nutritional yeast, cornstarch, garlic granules, and cumin. Blend until smooth, then proceed to heat some olive oil in a frying pan. Cook an onion for a few minutes until it softens, then add mushrooms and other vegetables of your choice. As you can see, I used broccoli and carrots. Cook them for around 5 minutes, then add the sauce and pasta of your choice. Stir everything together and that's it. It really is that simple and perfect for a cozy, comforting dinner. Right, so that is it for today's recipes. If you give any of them a go, be sure to let me know and tag me over on Instagram, which is Earth of Maria. I am also very active on there and share delicious vegan recipes on a daily basis. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really appreciate you being here, and I will see all of you in the next one. I hope the rest of your day is fantastic. I am so awkward when it comes to doing video outros, but this will have to do. I'm just kind of rolling with it.